Hello Politics 1A, please listen to this short, important announcement about preparing for your next week's tutorial and what that means in terms of the exam. If you go onto ULink, you'll see under week 11, go to week 11, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see there your TUT 6 exam prep activity. So the exam in June is a take-home exam where you'll have to answer essay questions. I will explain more about this in due course, but this activity here designed below will help you to prepare for the exam. So look at the example below and think about how you would go about answering it. Write down a few points on how you would answer it and then share them in your online TUT classes with your colleagues and tutor next week. So the question here is, power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. This is Lord Acton's quote from Haywood. Consider the above quote and then answer the following question. Discuss the 5 reasons covered in the module why the general public have come to hate politics. In your answer, also mention 2 ways also covered in the module in which we can mend politics. So what you need to do to prepare for next week's activity is to jot down a few points as to how you will go about answering this question. This is important because you'll get a question very like this in the exam. So you need to be able to know how to answer a question in an essay type format. The tutors will help you next week, but you have to prepare and bring your activity to the online tutorial next week. Next week's tutorial attendance is very important. It's compulsory. It counts for marks for your semester mark, so you must be available for those online tutorials. Remember that in our politics department for Politics 1A, we've only made 1 tutorial compulsory for this whole term because we're aware of the problems students have with data and access. But this tutorial that we've set aside for you that is compulsory is for marks because it's very important that you attend this activity because it's preparation for the exam. So it's essential that you attend this tutorial. If you're worried about it or concerned about accessing your tutor in that online tutorial, you must email me or get hold of your tutor to tell them that you're worried about it, and we'll try and organize something separate for you individually. So you do not have to submit anything online. Please note that. You don't have to upload anything. All you have to do is prepare this homework for yourself on a piece of paper that you can then read off during your tutorial.